Today I will show you how to get Telegram Premium for free, so make sure to stay throughout the old video to learn all the details. Now, as you can see, if you are trying to get Telegram Premium for free, what we can do is head over to our Telegram and then click on the settings. Once we do this, then scroll down now until you see Telegram Premium. If we click on this, what you'll notice if you scroll down, that there's actually no way to get a free trial for Telegram Premium. Now, another way that you could get this, and the only way to be able to do this is if someone you know has got Telegram Premium. They will be able to gift you Telegram Premium if they want to do that. So there's not actually any way to get Telegram Premium. So you cannot actually hack this mod, or anything like that. You will need to pay the annual or monthly subscription if you want Telegram Premium. So I hope this video helped you out. If this video did, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.